What you're about to watch is going to change how you think about work forever. I spent 20 years in emergency medicine where time has a real price tag to it, and that's how I built this system, through that lens. And what I'm giving you after this short introduction is the entire system for free that you can follow along and implement immediately. I use this system every day in my practice and my consulting work, and it saved me over 2,000 hours last year alone. I want to make this simple and actionable. This system consistently saves my students 10 to 15 hours a week, not by working harder, not by grinding, but by removing things that should have never been done in the first place and using specific systems and tools that accelerate productivity immediately. This course normally sells for $97 and I'm giving it to you for free, but I want two things from you. First, take action. Pause the video, set it up as you go, do the steps, and you will be seeing results from day one. And second is, if you find value in what you've learned here, and you can see how it's made a real impact in your life, I'm sure you have a colleague, a friend, a family member who's drowning in work and would love to have the system themselves. So share it. That's all I ask. Let's jump into the course. Most productivity advice is garbage. You've tried it all and you're still drowning. It's not a motivational issue. It's an engineering problem. I'm Mitchell Schwint. I spent 20 years as an emergency medicine physician where speed often meant the difference between life and death. In the next 15 minutes, we're going to walk through the entire Time Levr system from zero to hero. You'll be fully operational by the time you're done watching this video. And here's my guarantee. If this system doesn't save you time or you get stuck in the setup process, I'll personally jump on a call and walk you through it. Now, I practice what I preach, and my AI avatar is going to give you a very brief, high-level overview of the entire system, and then I'm going to walk you through it step by step. This is leverage in action.
This is the Time Levr Quick Start. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to walk you through the entire system from zero to fully operational. Step by step, no theory, no fluff, just the build. You're going to run an AI-powered audit of your actual workflow. You're going to identify the exact repetitive tasks that are quietly stealing 10 to 15 hours from you every single week. And you're going to build a voice-first automation system that eliminates them permanently. Not next month, not after some 12-week course, today, in one sitting. I'm Mitchell Schwint. I spent 20 years in emergency medicine and helicopter flight medicine, making life and death decisions under pressure. I now build AI productivity systems for professionals who are tired of working harder and getting nowhere. The ROI on what you're about to learn is not subtle. We're talking 10 to 15 hours back, every week, exposed by a single prompt, eliminated by two tools, compounded every 30 days when you re-audit and rebuild. $47, 15 minutes of your time, and a system that pays you back before the end of your first week. And here's my guarantee. If you set this up and it doesn't save you time or you get stuck and can't figure it out, I will personally jump on a call with you and walk you through it. That's not a refund policy. That's a promise, because I know this works. Let's get into it.
The fact is that you are losing 15 hours a week doing repetitive shit. You have a time problem, you have a system problem, and this program is going to fix this in under 30 minutes. The first step is we're going to run a time study. You're going to analyze what you do every 15 minutes for an entire week, and then you're going to put that into your favorite LLM and run the specific prompt that I share with you below. That's going to give you your highest leverage tasks. It's going to show you where you can save the maximum amount of time and give you quick wins from day one. You're going to download two tools. The first is WhisperFlow, and there is a free version of that you can utilize. You can also utilize the paid version, which is what I use, and I'm one of the top 5 users of this program in the world. And you're going to also download TextExpander. TextExpander used to have a free option or a trial option. The trial option, I believe, is still available, but this app, for what you get from it, is dirt cheap. What you're going to do with these two tools is you're going to use AI to generate your 10 highest yield snippets. Don't know what a snippet is? Snippet is basically an entire phrase, communication piece, email, signature, instructions, product offering, whatever applies to your particular industry, and you use just a series of keystrokes, usually dot, ABC or something like that, and it'll expand the entire thing in seconds. You're going to create your customized snippet library. You're going to use the top 10 highest yield snippets first, and then you're going to build your library from there by using WhisperFlow. WhisperFlow allows you to communicate at the speed of thought. So you'll be generating output at about 120 to 140 words per minute, depending on how fast you talk. That's much faster than the average person types. The average person types around 50 to 60 words per minute. You're going to go ahead and generate your library. You're going to customize and expand it. You're going to build on it using Whisper Flow. You're going to fine tune it, and then you're going to reanalyze your time study in 30 days. And that's going to give you your highest reward, highest yield on further accelerating and amplifying your output. This system has been proven. I personally used this system to save over 2,000 hours last year alone. It sounds crazy, but with this set up and running at full speed, you can literally save 7 to 9 days per week. You save more time than you actually work, which sounds ludicrous, but it's proven, and you'll see the power of the system as we get into it. So let's go ahead and jump into the first section here, and we'll get you out of here in 30 minutes or less. The first app you need to download is Whisper Flow. The link that you see on the screen is my affiliate. If you use it, great. If not, no worries. This program is much more robust than all the other programs on the market. You might have a Mac and be tempted to use the Mac built-in microphone. I would advise you against that. The microphone translation feature of Apple is not quite up to snuff, and it will make a ton of mistakes and really slow you down with the process. So once you go to Whisper Flow, this is what it looks like. And go ahead and download this app, open it up on your computer, and once you get it open, it's going to look like this. This is mine. You can see I speak about 120 words per minute. I've been using this consistently for 25 weeks, a bit longer, and I've done 180,000 words. In that speed compared to typing, you get the idea how much of a savings this is, and we'll be implementing the system here across all your workflows. The next app that you need to download is Text Expander. There are some free versions of this type of software out there. This is the one that I feel is the most robust. I am also in the top user group of this worldwide, and I've been using this for, I think, about 9 years, something like that, with massive savings. I can show you some slides of typical time savings that I've experienced and my students have experienced. But go ahead, you can use the link if you want or not on the top. It's an affiliate link for me. Pricing of this annually. You just need the individual is relatively dirt cheap, $40 a year, and the time savings you're gonna get this back from day one just by using this piece of software alone. So go ahead and sign into it and download it, and then when you do so, you're going to be met with a blank screen. Let me just show you. So this is inside mine. These are the snippets folders that I built so far. Some of these are extremely lengthy. The one that I use for medical consulting is over 600 snippets long, but I use this across all my devices, and the time savings compounds on itself exponentially, particularly when you combine it with Whisper Flow. The cornerstone of this system is time tracking. That is the foundation of what everything is built upon. You need to have a clear idea of what you do every day and where your time goes. And there's several ways to do this. The easiest is just the old analog version, a little tracking table. Every 15 minutes throughout the day, you document what you're working on: client emails, presentations, reading, slide shares, social media. Just track it all. If you really have no clue about what you want to do, or you want something that's a little bit more granular, you can use a program like Rescue Time. I used this in the past. I don't use it anymore. I don't need it. And then I'm going to show you an example of running the prompt that I'm going to include below that you can analyze. So I'm going to paste in here a generality of a schedule, and then I'm going to go ahead and paste the prompt to analyze this. So getting up at 5:30, doing some telemedicine, doing some consulting, working on some videos, some content, etc. And the prompt is going to go ahead and run, and then it's going to generate some quick wins for you. So I'm using ChatGPT, but you can use whatever LLM you like for this. You can see that in the scenario that I created, which was a pretty loose schedule, you can see where the time goes. The part of the prompt that's most powerful is it's going to show you where your 3 time drains are. Like most people, email, Slack, LinkedIn, inbox checking is a problem. It shows where your energy pattern lies, gives you the uncomfortable truth, maintenance and switching costs, and the number one recommendation to fix. So we've gone ahead and inputted the weekly data. We've ran the time audit study, and now we're going to run a specified prompt to evaluate this and give us some high yield, immediate impact, immediate ROI snippets. So the snippets are obviously going to vary highly depending on your industry, your job role, title, and daily tasks, etc. But you can see from the workflow I've shared here, this is 125 minutes saved, so 2 hours per week just on these 10 snippets alone, with a monthly projection of 10 hours reclaimed. So a full day work completely reclaimed in a matter of, how long did it take you to do this? Less than 5 minutes. Now I'm going to show you how to actually set these snippets up using Text Expander that I had you download in the previous step. I'm going to Snippet 9, polite decline or redirect. There it is. Awesome, full expansion. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this here. Go over to Text Expander. I'm going to add a new snippet. It should pop up on the screen here. You can drag this wherever you want. Here's where this goes in here, and you will fill out these obviously as it expands. I'll show you a more advanced way to do this later on in this video. The label is suggested is decline. Actually, the abbreviation is decline, and I'm going to label this decline or redirect, and then I'm going to put it in a folder. Where should I put it? I'm going to put it in marketing and messaging. And you can create folders however you think that these should be organized. So basically, you're just going to go through your 10 high yield snippets and create them inside Text Expander. And then we'll work on a faster way to do this in the next segment. As promised, I'm going to show you an even faster way to create snippets using the combination of WhisperFlow and Text Expander. So just click on New Snippet here, and then typically the key for WhisperFlow is the function key, but you can set whatever hotkey you prefer for dictation. Go ahead and create a response to the following client. Below are the list of the products and services we offer. You can consider the Time Flow program. You can consider Time Levr Accelerator, and if you need hand-holding and want over-the-shoulder implementation, then schedule yourself for the Time Levr implementation system. That is a 90-minute session for $250. If you have any questions or concerns, please respond to me here. So we can see how rapidly that populates. You can give it whatever name you want. We're talking about the Time Levr implementation here. And then the abbreviation, you can pick whatever convention you want. Since this is a product, I typically will use $signs and then lever, and then boom. You don't have to save it or anything. It just saves automatically. You can navigate away from this page, and it will be there next time you need it. I want to show you under the hood of WhisperFlow. This is not a WhisperFlow tutorial. This software is intuitive and easy to understand, but just I want to show you around here. You can share this with friends and colleagues and get a free month. If you're on the free plan, that will be very helpful to you. You can do transforms. This basically will polish and create different versions of what you're speaking into text. And Scratchpad is obviously self-explanatory. The style, this is how you can specify the communication preferences depending on what context or business setting you are in. And the thing I most want to show you is snippets. You can add a snippet just as easily as you did inside of Text Expander. You're just going to open this up and say whatever. I'm going to call this meeting, and the expansion is, hey, thanks so much for reaching out on LinkedIn. I'm looking forward to getting to know you better. Why don't we set up a time to chat? And you can use the Calendly link below, and I'd be happy to connect for a 15-minute call. Thank you. And then you just go ahead and add the snippet. And when you say meeting, it will expand. Obviously, you probably say meeting a fair amount in the context of your work, so you may want to make that a little bit more specific. So I'm going to call this, I'm going to call it Lin meeting, which means LinkedIn. We'll do that. And then the next time you want to send that on LinkedIn, you just say Lin meeting, and it expands rapidly. Let's try it. This is my LinkedIn. I'd love to connect with you if you're one of my students, but anyways, we'll just go randomly. Lin meeting. Boom, there it is. Rapid, simple, quick. This is not a Text Expander tutorial. There's tons of videos out there on the website that can help you navigate this. You can get extremely complicated and complex with this software, and I encourage you to learn it piece by piece. You'll find various levels of functionality depending on your industry and job title, but I want to show you just a few simple things that I think are important. So we're going to say a person's name needs to be inserted in here. And so single line field, name. We'll give it 10 characters. So when you expand this, the cursor will appear here, giving you a chance to type the name. Thanks so much for connecting last night. New paragraph. I'd like to set up a time to discuss how we could work together in a partnership as we implement AI technology across multiple areas of our businesses. Please use the link below to pick an option that works best for you. Obviously, if you're using Calendly, you wouldn't need this step, but I'm just showing this for demonstration purposes. And we're going to do a pop-up menu, and we'll just put meeting date. And then you just go ahead and select your dates. I'm just throwing up arbitrary dates just for example purposes. Then you can create as many additional options as you like. You can select one by default if you want, or you can leave it blank. But when you are expanding this, this will give you the optionality of choosing multiple options, essentially. And then the final thing is you may have a specific spot you want the cursor to land on when you finish expanding the snippet. There's some free text that you maybe are going to add, or maybe you're cutting and pasting something from a Google Doc. So I'm just going to say, please check the following for accuracy. Best regards, new paragraph, Mitchell. And then place the cursor where you want it. You go here and you say position cursor here. So after you've expanded this snippet, it's going to land the cursor here, allowing you to immediately type. So it takes a few milliseconds, obviously, to put your hand back on the mouse trackpad and move the cursor around. It might sound silly, but if this is a repetitive workflow for you that you are doing day in and day out, the power of compounding at the end of the year will blow your mind just from this one little simple thing. The final piece of the puzzle is to rerun the time study and the audit prompts and the output prompts. You started the system with nothing. You regained several hours, most likely in the first week. Building upon that, in week 2 to month 2 to month 6, you rapidly saw your time savings compound and accelerate. Many of my students are regaining back more than 700 hours per year from removing the friction, the repetition, and the slowness of manual processes, including typing, responding to messages, scheduling meetings, etc. You get the point. This slide is just a summary of what is possible. I've used this system for several years. I've used the tools in this system for a lot longer than that. In the last 12 months, I myself saved over 2,000 hours by using the very system I've just taught you today. I hope this resonated with you, and I look forward to seeing what you accomplish with the Time Levr system. Cheers.